Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am so glad that you guys are here. And thank you for your patience as I have navigated a couple really busy days over the last week. I wanted to come to you and pull the names for week two winners. As you know, for hashtag Sparkle All the Way, we do prizes during our lives and we do um, for lives in the chat, and then we do replays because we want to make sure people who come during the lives have access to some of the prizes, but also people who can't attend have access to some prizes as well. However, due to the fact that I was on the road and had very little access to internet, I did not want to lose internet access and have the live chat not have the ability to win prizes, or there would be some glitch or some issue when we were pulling names. So we decided that on my Friday, week three, instead of pulling live and replay, that week three would all be hashtag replay from week two's comments. I did let everybody know to go back to week two and make sure they put comments in. So all of week three winners are going to be pulled from week two comments. So that's what we're going to do in this video. All right. So as you can see here, we have the link from week two. We're going to filter duplicate users. And then 2 + 6 is 8. I always joke about making sure that I know what's going on. And then we're going to get the YouTube comments, and we have 55 comments. Now, when I hit the start, it usually tells me to move forward, and I think it's supposed to take names away. However, in the past, it's still pulled some of the same names. So bear with me if you do win a prize. The first time you win a prize is the prize that you're going to win. If for some reason it pulls your name again and doesn't take you out of the drawing, you're going to win the first prize, not the second. So I'm going to pull again if your name is revealed a second time. Okay. So the first, oh, I got to try to get my mouse here. The first prize is going to be for We Wax Crafts. So excited. I'm going to put our amazing sponsor up here. I love WeWax. She is a wonderful sponsor. You're going to get a wax and putty combo set. We are going to email WeWax, connect you guys together, and you're going to be able to talk with excuse me, the sponsor herself and pick out the wax collection. So here we go. We're going to see who's going to win. So we're going to hit start. Do, 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 do. Sharon Rodriguez. All right, I'm going to type this in. So Sharon, just so that you know, please wait. Rhonda or I are going to email you an email, let you know, and connect you with WeWax. That email is going to give you all the information that you need for your winnings. And Sharon tells us, I like my pens to match my canvas. All right. The next winner is going to receive a $15 Pam Diamond Painting gift card. And we love Pam. She has some amazing paintings out right now. Please, please go check her out. So we're going to hit pick another winner. And this is for a $15 gift card from the amazing Pam Diamond Paintings. Thank you so much, Pam, for your sponsorship. So this is DP for Pain Therapy. Now, she says, I have many hand-turned pens, and I love that each and every one is different and original. And then she says, I'm developing my favorite and most comfortable pen. All right. Now, I don't know if you registered before or after. We put in the requirement of letting us know what your real name is. We kind of did an oopsie when we started um, having you register, putting in your name because we didn't take into account that your YouTube name is different than your real name. So it's hard for us sometimes to match up. So if you could email dpaddictionadventures@gmail.com, DP for pain therapy, let me know what your name is, and let me know if you registered. If you did not register, please let me know your address, your email address, and we will get that gift card to you as soon as possible. Thank you so, so much. We're very excited for you. Okay, so the next winner is actually going to be for a pen. So this is our sponsor is Troy with Unbelievable Blanks, and you will be able to send a blank with your choice of Turner, either Donna Blass, Leopard Leatherworks, O'Brien Turner, Enablers Outpost, or OGK. So you will be able to go and pick out, or no, you'll get the event blank, forgive me, you'll get the event blank, and then you'll be able to send it to the, sorry, my nose, it's all of a sudden allergy wise, send it to the turner of your choice. Whoever wins, Rhonda will be sending out an amazing email. Rhonda is just doing wonderful. I can't speak highly enough for her. This is her event and she's doing amazing. I am just her co-host in it. But Troy is just blessing us immensely with his sponsorship. So we are very, very thankful. And so this winner will get this amazing blank. So here we go. Ready, set. We're gonna pick the winner. Here we go. Do do do. Okay. Priscilla Ginger. All right. So just like we did for DP Payne, if you could let us know. Um, She says, "Oh my gosh, where do I begin? I have a diamond painting pen obsession. I love acrylic pens, from the picking of the blanks to the unique shapes to choose." So again, if you could let us know, email dpaddictionadventures@gmail.com, what your name is, what your email address is, so we can email and connect you. If you are not registered with us, that's okay, but just let us know. We would appreciate that. All right, so congratulations. All right, this next one is for Joy's Putty Pack. We are super excited. Joy is amazing. She is a weekly sponsor of ours, and she has a Facebook group. She hand does all of her putty packs and has just been a joy to work with. She also has a um, code for us to use. So please look in the description down below if you are not a winner and go pick out a putty. I've heard nothing but great things. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Who's gonna win this pack? Woo woo! All right, Stephanie Singletary. Thank you so much, Stephanie. If for some reason we cannot figure out um, who you are, please email us at dpaddictionadventures@gmail.com so that we can get you connected to Joy's Putty. All right, so our next sponsor is J and L Crafty Creation. This is a $20 Canadian, so Canadian dollar. They are a Canadian company. We are so glad to have them. They have an amazing shop that you can check out. And so here we go. Doo-doo-doo. All right, M Todoki 94. Wonderful. Super excited for you. I think, if I remember right, you've won before. If you have not, again, please email us. You say my favorite thing about hand-turned pens is how customizable they are and that they are all so unique. I'm sorry, Stephanie, I did not read yours. It was not intentional. So M to Dokit. Oh my goodness, I apologize. I just slaughtered your name. Um, but if you could email us, that would be great. Let us know what your name is and your email address so that we can get that out to you. All right, so the next person is for uh, Lunina 3D. So we're super excited about this. I will be unboxing this prize actually on Friday. I received this in the mail. It's a tray with an interchangeable container. We are asking that the winner does pay shipping because this does come from the UK. If for some reason the winner is unable to pay shipping, please let us know and we will pick a different winner. I do apologize, but that is the um, requirement for this person who wins because it is from the UK with the shipping costs. Now, when I paid for the shipping for myself, it was like $12 from the UK, but it was completely worth it because it's amazing. If you want, you can wait until I show it on Friday before you make the decision, which is just in a couple days. So let's see who the winner is. Doo, doo, doo. Chris Bramund. I love the creativity each pen turner gets to show with their pens. Yes, welcome, welcome. We will send you an email, let you know the information um, that is needed. If for some reason we cannot figure out, um, please email us and let us know your name and your email address. So congratulations. All right, we have three more things to give away. All right, we have the Black Dahlia Diamond Art $10 gift card. So we are going to pick this winner. We love their putty, but you will have a gift card to the store. Do, 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 do. Diamonds around the world. One of the things I like about a pen is that you have a say in how it gets turned. And I started out using an acrylic pen, and it was a great way for me. And it cuts off. If I hit this little button, it's going to take me to YouTube and mess all of this up. So I apologize, diamonds around the world. I'm typing in your name so I don't forget. All right, but congratulations on your gift card. And then we have Becky's Crafting Chaos. You're going to get the event release papers and putty. You're going to get, yes, so you're going to get that packet, and we will be sending that out shortly. Here is the winner. We're going to hit start. Do, 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 do. Okay, Tammy. All right, Tammy says, my favorite thing about a hand-turned pen is the way that they don't make my hand cramp. Also, I love the beautiful turn style and sparkle in the pen. Congratulations, Tammy. And I believe we have your information, so we'll be able to get that email out to you and let you know that it's coming. Anything that is getting mailed out is getting mailed out towards the end of the event because many people are winning more than one. so that we can combine the shipping. Now, the last prize is more of a um, specific prize. It is from Raven Diamond Art Club. It is a diamond painting kit. So it is more of a darker art. I will do the drawing. Rhonda will email, let you know what the prize is, and then you let Rhonda know if it's something that you would like. If it is not, then we will talk with you and discuss. But please know that that is what the prize is so that you're not shocked. But we do love Raven. She has a very good high quality of product. And we are excited that she is a sponsor. This is definitely, if this is up your alley, a very great opportunity for you to go check out a store that caters to your artwork. For sure. Here we go. Do, 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 do. All right, we have Cheryl Lynn. So, Cheryl Lynn, I will be plugging you in, and you can be waiting for an email from Rhonda for two. Okay, so that concludes tonight, or this morning, or today, whenever you watch this video, what the hashtag replay of the week 3 winners are. So thank you again so much for your patience and for your flexibility. So I'm super excited. I can't wait to see you guys. And until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye bye.